Yo, what's going on, YouTube? It's been a minute. Life hits you. Had a bunch of stuff to do. But right now, I just want to give y'all a quick little update on what's going on with my car. What are the plans? Just everything all above. So let's get to that, bro. And this is... Oh, fuck. Trying to pull this damn car apart, trying to find all the damn leaks. But since I'm already here, I figured out where the leak was. I need to switch out my windshield. I think it's a perfect time to switch out the fuel pump. So, right here, where that? Shout out that boy with the Honda. He sold me a used supercharger kit. Came with some stuff. I don't know what the hell this is, but got the fuel pump right here. Yep. Got my toes out, you already know. But we're just gonna go and start cleaning everything up, make it look nice, and throw in the new fuel pump, hopefully. So yeah. Bruh, I'm gonna have to stop by AutoZone and get that fuel pump removal thing because I keep breaking the ring. I just can't manage to get it off with the chisel and what's that shit called? If we look over here, oh, motherfucker is spilling hella fuel. Oh shit. Okay. Well, let me fix this real quick and I'll be right back because what the fuck. All right, man, crisis averted. Just clean it up real quick. Let's get going. One of those like hat cameras so I could talk to you guys while I'm driving and shit. But forgot my fucking wallet. Let me go get my wallet real quick. Came back with the kit. Got some of this too, because I don't know how long this fuel pump's been sitting, so I feel like it'd just be a smart idea to, when I fill up again, throw this in there. Hopefully minimize any bad things that could happen or whatever. I don't know. But let's go home and get this shit done already. I'm fucking tired. Got the shit out. Now let's assemble. Alright, so just taking a quick video, see how it looks before I start disassembling. It's always a smart idea not to get rid of, or to take photos prior to removing it, because I guess you could probably switch those around. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing. So here we are right now. We're just about halfway. Not too bad. A few broken little things right there, but other than that, it's all good. Yep, got the pump out. You gonna have to figure it out yourself. I ain't doing no damn tutorial on how to do it. But right now, let's take a little avocado toast break. So, looking up some videos, I'm not sure if I got the right kit or whatever the case may be, but this filter right here should have some sort of new retaining clip. Don't have it, and I don't want to run it without the retaining clip or cutting it and trying to do all this and that. So if anything, I'm just gonna use, I guess, the same old filter, transferred over some hardware like this, but hopefully it's not too big of a deal. But if it's that serious, we'll just switch it out with a new one in the future. But for now, we're gonna stick with the OEM fuel filter. So after some wrestling, I finally got to lock it in. Man, you're gonna have to get this. Bro, just get this shit. Save you a headache. You know what I'm saying? Especially if you got an AutoZone right next to you. I'm about to finish up. All right, so I should have fully put it together, but if you check right there, I already put it all back together. But first startup, live reaction. Hopefully this goes how I want it to go. All right, so let's try. Is down, and this is oh fuck. Hey yo. All right, I guess it's been cycled through now. So definitely ain't got no gas, so I gotta go get some gas real quick. That being said, everything is done now. Now I just got one thing left to do for you guys. It's a quick surprise. Sersky just got it done. Got the downpipe coated. Can't wait, or ceramic coated for the nerds. I'm gonna throw this on in the next video, so make sure to stay tuned. Later.